Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Good. So, what is our today's topic? What is our today's topic? Okay. Now I am going to explain you what is measurement. Are you excited to learn about measurement? Measurement means find out length, mass or weight and capacity. So what is measurement? Measurement means find out length, mass or weight and capacity. What is length? Length is an object or a distance measured using the units of length. So, what is the unit of length is? Meter, centimeter and kilometers. We can also write meter in short form as a m. Okay? And centimeter as a cm. And kilometer as a km. Now I am going to tell you how many centimeter in a 1 meter. How many centimeter in a 1 meter? 100 centimeter. How much? 100 centimeter. Okay. And how many meter in a 1 kilometer? 1000. 1000 meter in a 1 kilometer. And 100 centimeter in a 1 meter. So we can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay? So mass or weight. What we know? Mass or weight. We are going to know what is mass or weight. To measure how much heavy or light an object is the unit of mass or weight are used. It means mass और weight का यूज हम कब करते हैं? जब हम किसी heavy और light object का weight करते हैं, measure करते हैं कि वो कितना है, तो उसके लिए हम कौन सा यूनिट यूज करते हैं? mass और weight. So we can use kilogram is used to measure the mass or weight of a heavy object. जब हमें किसी heavy चीज का heavy object का weight करना होगा तो हम किसका यूज करेंगे? किलोग्राम. And we can also write kilogram as kg in a short form. हम किलोग्राम को short form में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? kg. And second thing, to measure lighter object we use grams. हम लाइट वेट के ऑब्जेक्ट को वेट करने के लिए किस चीज का यूज करेंगे? किस यूनिट का? ग्राम. एंड वी कैन आल्सो राइट ग्राम्स एज अ स्मॉल g. ठीक है? और जब हमें किसी लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट की किसी हल्के ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट करना होगा तो हम किसका यूज करेंगे? ग्राम्स का. ठीक है? एंड वी कैन से लाइक दैट 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram or 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Got it? So what is capacity? Capacity is the quantity of a liquid that a container or vessel can hold is called its capacity. It means अगर हमारे पास कोई कंटेनर है या वेसल है तो उसके अंदर जो भी लिक्विड होल्ड होगा, ठीक है, तो क्या कहलाएगा? उसकी कैपेसिटी. ओके? एंड वी कैन यूज यूनिट विच यूनिट? लीटर एंड मिलीलीटर. एंड वी कैन आल्सो राइट लीटर एज अ L and milliliter as a ml. So now simply have here a formula So do you know what is measurement? All of you know? So now, who tell me what is measurement, what is length, what is mass or weight and capacity? Who tell me?
Good morning everyone, I am Vida from class 3B, my master. My topic is what is measurement. Measurement helps us to know the size, weight or quantity of the thing. It makes our work easy because we can compare and find the exact amount.
Good morning everyone. I am Yogita from class 3B, my master. Length. An object or a distance is measured using the units of length. Meter indicated by m and centimeter indicated by cm are used to measure shorter lengths and distances. To measure longer we use kilometers. Kilometer indicated by km. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arohi Yadav from class 3B. My master capacity, the quantity of a liquid that a container or vessel can hold is called its capacity. The commonly used units of capacity are liters and milliliter. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Good morning everyone, my name is Rudras Jaswal from class 3B. My master, my topic is mass weight. To measure how much heavy or light an object is, the unit of mass are used. Kilogram, kg is used to measure the mass of a heavy object. To measure light object, we use gram. 1 kg is equal 1000 gram. Today we do measurement activity. Here are some examples. Juice, milliliter, liter. Floor, centimeter, gram, kilogram. Here I have some more example of length.
So all of you know what is this? What is this? What is this? This is measuring tape. Why we use this one? To measure length. So who can measure with me the blackboard length? Who can measure?
Now we are going to measure the length of the desk.
Yes, Rida, tell me what is the length of the desk?
150 centimeter means 1 meter 50 centimeter.
Yes, good.
We are going to measure length of book. 8 centimeter.
Your book length is?
8 centimeter. Now I am going to measure my grade.
Yes, Rida. What is your weight?
24 kg, 65 grams.
24 kg.
65 grams.
Okay. Rida, how much you weigh?
22 kg, 80 grams.
22 kg, 80 gram. Yes, Shreyansi?
36 kg,
85.
85 grams.
Okay. Yes, Shanvi? What is your weight? 35 kg, 75 gram. Okay. Yes, Arohi? What is your weight?
33 kg 55 grams.
I am going to measure capacity.
Okay. So, student, what is this? This is measuring glass. And there have mentioned some quantity of this glass, right? How much the capacity of the glass?
250 ml.
How much?
250 ml.
250 ml. So now we want to know what is the capacity of this ball. Okay? Now we need to know this. So can we measure? Okay, Yogita, pour some water in this. Now, how much the water? How much the water?
250 ml.
How much the water now?
250 ml.
So now, how much the capacity of the jar?
250 ml.
200.
50 ml.
Okay. So first, how much I pour in the bowl? पहले हमने कितना डाला था इसमें?
250 ml.
And now how much is this one?
50 ml.
How much?
50 ml.
We need more.
Yes, ma'am.
How much this one? How much this one? So what is the capacity of the ball?
400.
How much the capacity of the syringe? How much? Show me. How much? Okay. Now pour the water into the jar. How much the capacity?
1 liter.
How much the capacity of the jar is?
1 liter.
Yes, Aryan. Now tell me what is the capacity of this spoon?
2.5 ml.
2.5 ml. So now you know what is the capacity of this spoon is? How much hold this spoon? 2.5 ml. It means 2.5 milliliter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These things are used to measuring weight.
Wait.
These things are used to measuring length. These things are measuring to weight. We use these things for measure capacity.
Okay.